tiny bit. This much. Ooh, it feels like there's nothing on my hair. I don't know if I like that. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I know I look a hot mess right now, but y'all know my hair is sectioned into 4 different sections, so that means I'm about to do something with it. Okay, so if you saw my last video, which you should, I'll post the link up above, then you know that I just went to the Hue Beauty and Natural Hair Affair and I got a ton of product, you guys. So of course I have to try these products out, see which one is my favorite, let you guys know how it is. So we're gonna do that. So my hair is in need of some serious co-washing right now. I'm in between shampoos and I decided to give one of my new products a try. So you guys know I got this Eden Bodyworks Coconut Co-Wash. Well, actually it's not coconut co-wash, it's the Coconut Shea line. It's called Natural Cleansing Co-Wash, and this is what it looks like. So I'm actually about to go ahead. I already got my hair sectioned into 4 pieces. I'm going to go ahead and take my shower, co-wash as normal, put a leave-in, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to follow up with something else from their line. This is the Natural Curl Defining Cream, also the Coconut Shea line that they have. So that is it. I'm finding that when I finish co-washing, I don't really like to add, like, I don't want to do like heavy gels and stuff on it. Like, I know how backwards that sounds. Like, maybe after I wash it I shouldn't do that, but it don't. I don't know, I feel like my hair kind of needs a break when it's being co-washed. I don't know, does anybody else feel that way? Comment below. So I'm gonna give this cream a try to see if it can define my curls really well, but still let my hair feel nice and like lightweight, no crunch, nothing like that. Okay, so we are going to go ahead. I'm gonna jump in the shower right now. But before I do, let me just open this up for you guys. Let's smell this bad boy. Ooh, oh my gosh, that smells good. I mean, it smells like coconut. It smells exactly, it's Coconut Shea line, so it smells like coconut. Let's see what that consistency is like. It's very smooth, very creamy. This is what it's looking like. It feels like it's just gonna glide through my hair. Like it's very like slippery and creamy and just like a nice like soft touch to it. So that smells so good. No, you gotta get the smell good stuff. All right, so let me jump in the shower and then I'm gonna come back and we are gonna work on the curl defining cream. So I will be right back. All right, you guys, I am fresh out the shower and the first thing I'm gonna say about the co-wash is a little bit goes a long way. You guys, I did not even need that much and I still had so much like left over. You know, after you like do prayer hands and stuff and get it through, like there was still so much left over. So I mean, that's a plus because I can go through co-washes in like 1 wash. Besides the smell, which I told you guys I loved it, I use my detangling brush. Y'all see me use this brush all the time. I got it off of Amazon. I use my detangling brush while the co-wash was still in, just to go through each section. And I don't know if it's the co-wash or, I mean, I know my hair is getting a lot stronger, but this is all the breakage that I had, you guys. This was what came out. So I'm like really proud of my hair right now because y'all know I used to have a lot of breakage after washing or co-washing my hair. So I'm really happy about that. But it was very easy to detangle my hair in the shower. And again, that could be the co-wash or it could be like a mixture of that and the fact that I've just been taking a lot better care of my hair. So either way, I am very happy so far with this co-wash. And then like I said, I followed it up in the shower already with the leave-in. I used the Camille Rose leave-in, which you guys have seen in, I don't remember which video, but I'll link it up above. And I love that leave-in. It's so slippery and amazing and it just like glides through my hair. So I am going to now follow that up with this Natural Curl Defining Cream, again with the same brand, the Coconut Shea. So I just opened it up. Ooh, I love this coconut smell, you guys. Like, I think I just love the coconut smell. It smells so good. So here, y'all know we got to do this, right? Let's see what happens. All right, it's like slowly inching its way out. Y'all see that? It's like slowly coming out. I don't want to do too much, but not that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that thickness. Can y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Y'all know I like a thick cream now. My hair is still sectioned off. Let's take this towel off of it. And my hair is still sectioned off with the leave-in. And I'm gonna go through with my detangling brush one more time as I am putting the cream on my hair, just to make sure I don't have any snags. Y'all see that? Look at that, guys. Oh, it feels so amazing. All right, so this is not like a wash and go or anything. I really just want like a little moisturizer on my hair. My hair feels really clean too, you guys. Like, I know that a co-wash isn't meant to like fully cleanse your hair and your scalp, but my hair feels so clean. It doesn't feel like it has anything on it right now. All right. Oh yeah, I did need to go through with it a little bit. Now I'm gonna take a tiny bit, this much. Just, let's see. Ooh, it feels like there's nothing on my hair. I don't know if I like that. I don't know. I'm like not used to that. Is that a good thing? Okay. So, I wouldn't say that it's like super defining my curls, but it feels moisturizing. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Maybe a little bit. I need a little bit more on. Okay. Okay, I don't want to put too much because then I'm gonna be really upset if I have a lot of flakes happening. So I'm gonna just leave it like that. All right, well, it's not like super defining my curls, but again, that wasn't really the end goal here. I just needed like a nice moisturizing product to go on top of this for the time being. So let me just keep on going.
Feel the music, the rhythm, a heart on a mission. Can't fight the feeling, and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose all control. Got emotions in motion, they all wanna go dance. Sweat in an ocean, and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose all control.
Okay, so that is the first section so far. So I don't really see or feel any like super defined curls right now. So it's good to know that this is more just kind of like a nice little cream to moisturize and kind of seal in that moisture, you know. Not necessarily if I want to do a light washing though, but my hair feels super fluffy. I like that.
Tonight, 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 tonight. So I won't hold back tonight, tonight, tonight.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this piece up with a little hair tie, just to stretch the roots out a little bit, because I can tell the shrinkage is gonna be like so real when I wake up in the morning. So just to kind of combat that a little bit, I'm gonna just get the roots tied up into a little ponytail, and I'm gonna do the same at the top.
You know, I'm here to put on a show. Oh, way too late for you, babe. I'm okay, and I'm not defying it, no. I'm here to put on a show, yeah. First time on the floor, but I'm into it. Nervous from my knees to my fingertips. I might have a broken heart, but I won't hold back tonight. Lights go out, I move like I'm over you. Nothing on my mind but the beating truth. I might have a broken heart, but I won't hold back tonight,
like. I got a little bit of product buildup, but it's a cream. What can you expect? And yeah, I wouldn't say my curls are super defined or anything, but like I said, my hair is like super moisturized and just like it's fluffy and soft, and it's definitely, I can see myself doing what is that thing, the LCO method with this, like topping this with like some really light oils and kind of just doing that. Like this could be like a daily thing, like some leave-in, this oil, boom. So I might give that a try this week actually. What I'm gonna do, like you guys saw, I put this one back in a little ponytail. I'm gonna do the same up here just to get my roots to stretch out a little bit more so I don't have like crazy shrinkage happening tonight, because I can see it happening. So I've never done this kind of stretching method before. I'm just winging this to see if it will work. All right, I'm looking a little cray, but in the name of beauty, we're gonna try to make this work. All right, so I'm gonna actually just, I don't know if I wanna go under the dryer just to get my, like, you know, the hair to open up a little bit to let this kind of seep in, or if I just wanna go to bed because I'm tired. I'm not tired, I'm tired. So I don't know, but either way, if I do sit under the dryer, it's only gonna be like 15 minutes, honestly, like nothing long. Cause again, it doesn't need to be like this super awesome wash and go. So I will be back in the morning just to show you guys what I do to this and let y'all know how it still feels. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, you guys. So it is the next day, the next morning, and as you can see, my hair is nicely stretched. I'm really glad I did that because I know I was gonna have a ton of shrinkage if I didn't. But this is the hair the next morning. It's still wet because I didn't sit under the dryer or anything, but I got it kind of poofed out a little bit as if it's like a small blowout. As you can see, there's no real like curl definition happening right now. That is still a little bit of product left over. No real curl definition happening right now, but I again wasn't really expecting it. I wanted to see if it would happen, but I honestly wasn't expecting it from a cream. So I'm not like upset or anything. My hair is so fluffy, you guys. It feels so clean, but it's like real fluffy. It's real manageable, and I am, even though it's not defining my curls, I am loving this cream. So this is a thumbs up for me. I'm really happy. Also, my hair smells delicious, so that is another plus. I am really happy with this purchase. Will I buy this again though? I don't know. We'll find out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be trying out all of the products that I got at the Hue Beauty and Natural Hair Affair, so make sure you guys stay tuned for those videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you won't be able to see those videos if you are not a part of the family. Hit that like button, and I will see you guys for the next one. Bye.